statement says, design a Turing machine which shifting the input one bit right, where sigma is equal to a comma b. So what it means? So if I'm having the input called as a B, B, A, this is what your input is given. So this input we have to shift one bit, one cell right. Okay. Now, as we know, we are having the special symbol called as a blank, called as a blank. Your head is always at the first input symbol. Now, one bit right. What it means? This A, one bit right means what? This A, the rightmost A will be shifted here. This A will be shifted here. This B will be shifted here. This B will be shifted here. This A will be shifted here. And this A, it will be blank. This blank will be shifted here. So at the end, what is the output? Again, we require like this. This will be the output tape. So this A here, this blank here, this A, B, B, A, B, like this, blank. Okay. So this is what your expected is. Now, how to design the Turing machine for this? We'll try to find the logic algorithm for designing the Turing machine. So what is the input condition? Your read-write head is always at the first input symbol. Now we have to shift this A here. So first of all, we must reach to the end. What we have to do? We have to reach to the end first. This alphabet we start with. Okay, so with this alphabet we'll start shifting. But initially my input head is at this beginning. So first of all, we have to reach to the end. Reach to the end. So how to reach to the end? Will A skip A. Skip A means what? A replace with A and right. B replace with B, right. B replace with B, right. A replace with A, right. When we are getting blank, blank as it is and left. Blank as it is and left. This is the logic for finding the last alphabet. Finding the last alphabet. Okay, finding the last alphabet. Here, this logic, try to understand this logic because this we have to apply in many examples. So how we'll design this? We'll start simultaneously, we'll start designing the Turing machine. Now Q0 is the initial state. Q0 is the initial state. So initial state, if I'm getting A, skip A. B, skip B, move right. B, skip A. So A and B, whatever input I am getting, A or B, all inputs we have to skip and shift, move to right, move to right, move to right. So this can we put onto the self loop. So if A, skip A and right. If I am getting B, replace with B and right. What this self loop is going to do? All the A's, it will skip, means move right. B as it is right. Move A as it is right. A or B, whatever it is getting, it will keep it as it is and head will move to the right. Clear? So this is what moving to the right. Now, how we will understand that we have reached to the end? If we are getting blank after skipping all A, B, if input we are getting blank, so what we have to do? Blank as it is and direction will be left. Blank as it is and direction will be left. So the head will be at the last alphabet. Head will be at the last alphabet. Getting? So is this is the logic to reach to the last alphabet of your input string. Last alphabet of your input string. Okay. So this is how we are reaching to the end. Now we are at the last position. We are at the last position. Now we have to check what is the input A, we have to shift right. Now we have the two inputs A, B. Here are the two inputs A, B. So we may get A, we may get B, because your string may be B, A, B, because inputs are A and B. So whatever your input, you will may get A or B. So whatever the alphabet we are getting. So whatever the alphabet we are getting, we have to shift right. We have to shift right. Okay. So this actually this will design here, because it require more space. Q0, self loop, skip A, skip B, and right. If I'm getting blank, blank as it is, and left. One. Okay. We'll write input here. A, B, B, A. This is what your input is. Or you will take one more input, so that we have to apply the logic for any string. Okay. Because what they are saying, input alphabet is A and B. So your string may be made up of A and B, any combination of A and B. So we have to apply the logic for any combination of A and B. Okay. So now Q1, whether it is visible. So Q1. So we'll take first example. First here, head is here, and with this head is here. So last. Now the input alphabet is A. Input alphabet is A. What we'll do? So A, we have to shift right. A, we have to shift right. What it means? Shifting A right. So how will you shift the right? A shifting to right. So this A will make it as a blank and move to right. If I am getting this blank, I will replace this with A and move to left. What I will do? Just try to understand. Head is here now. So this A I will replace with blank. A I will replace with blank. Okay, and move to right. A replace with blank, move to right. If I am getting this blank, replace it with X and move to left. Okay, so shifted, A is shifted here. So that is what the logic is, shifting one bit. So we'll just design it. So at Q1, at the end, if I'm getting A, replace it with blank and move to right. Replace A with blank and move to right. Okay. Now, after that, if I'm getting this blank, replace it with A and change the direction to left. Change the direction to left. Q3. This to Q3. Okay. Getting? So, this is what your A replace with blank and right, then blank replace with A and left. So this will shift one bit. This will shift one bit. Okay. So now after making right, head is here, blank. So what we have to do again? Blank. Input is blank. So if it is blank, keep as it is and shift to left. So we'll reach to here. Okay, we'll reach to here. So this will be your condition now. So blank as it is and shift to left. Left B. What do we have to do? Replace this B with blank. Move right. This blank with B. Move left. Okay. So from Q3, if I'm getting blank, from Q3, if I'm getting blank, Q3, if I'm getting blank, so blank as it is and direction will be left. Blank as it is, direction will be left. Okay. Now what I'm getting here, input is B. So I have to write again one more So if input is B, we have to shift this B. So B replace with blank, this B replace it with blank and write. This B replace it with blank and write. Okay, again the same thing. And blank replace with B and left. So what we did with the A, the same thing we'll do with the B. Okay. So at right, blank with B and left. So now if blank, we are keeping blank as it is and left, blank as it is and left. Now we are getting B. We are getting B. What it will do? B replaced with blank. This B replaced with blank, blank and right. Blank replaced with B and left. Blank replaced with B and left. Q3. Q3 blank keep as it is and left. Blank keep as it is and left. So head is now here. A Q1 A replaced with blank. A replaced with blank and right. Blank replaced with A. Blank replaced with A and left. Blank replaced with A and left. Q3. Q3 we are getting blank, blank as it is left. Blank as it is and left. Okay. So at the end, what it will get after finishing all this input, it will get blank as it is and left. So when blank as it is and left, it will get again blank. Here Q1, it will get again blank. So this, if this blank is there, blank as it is and no operation, it will reach to the final state. That we'll say as a final state. Try to understand when we are getting the final state. So that is the final state. Okay. So this is what you are designing the Turing machine for shifting the input one bit right. We'll just